Okay, today we're going to factor trinomials. I'm going to show you two ways to do it. One, the way I did it growing up, and then two, the way that I've learned recently using the area model. You ready? Let's go. So if we have 2x squared minus 5x minus 3, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to multiply the a term times the c term, the two outside terms. So 2 times negative 3 gives us negative 6. And then we ask ourselves, what can we multiply together to get negative 6 that we can add together to get this term in the middle, negative 5? Well, if we multiply negative 6 times 1, if we add those together, we'll get negative 5. Negative 6x plus 1x will give us negative 5x. And then we just bring down our other terms, minus 3 and 2x squared. Now that we're there, we factor out by grouping. So we group these two together and we group these two together. What does 2x squared and negative 6x have in common? 2x. Factor that out. If we divide 2x squared by 2x, we're left with x. And if we divide negative 6x by 2x, we're left with negative 3. What does 1x and negative 3 both have in common? 1. And if we factor it out, we're left with x minus 3. And then we just take our two terms and we bring down our answer. So 2x plus 1 times x, these two terms right here, x minus 3. And that's our answer. All right? Now let's try it using the area model. So we do the same thing first. We multiply the a term times the c term. 2 times negative 3 gives us negative 6. And then we bring down this middle term and put it right here, negative 5. And then again we ask, what do we multiply times to get negative 6 that we can add together to get negative 5? Negative 6 and positive 1. Right? Negative 6 plus 1 gives us negative 5. Negative 6 times 1 gives us negative 6. And then we fill in our area model box. We put the first term in the first box, 2x squared. We put the last term in the last box, negative 3. And then we put these two middle terms in the diagonals. So we have negative 6x and positive 1x. And now we can fill out the rest of the outside box. So what does 2x squared and negative 6x have in common? 2x. And what does 2x squared and 1x both have in common? X. And is 2x times x 2x squared? Yes. What times 2x gives us negative 6x? Negative 3. And what times x gives us 1x? 1. And 1 times negative 3 gives us negative 3. So our box checks out. So these are our factors. 2x plus 1 times x minus 3. Same answer, two different ways to get there. You can do it however you like. You feel me? All right, well, I hope you caught it. If you didn't, you can always rewind. Thank you for flying Algebra Airlines. We'll catch you next time.